Dear Grandad, you were born and raised in a village called Lansdowne in County Galway. You spent 90 years in that village, running a shop and a pub, but never touching a drop. You were once a millionaire, if the stories are true. You spent your whole life in the same 5 kilometres and you had everything you ever needed. You lived like the world knew your name. You died last year, and your legacy leaves a beautiful wife, 4 accomplished children and 6 adoring grandchildren. But many people live differently now. We're pulled all over the country and the world for one opportunity or another. My 5 kilometre radius was far from yours, and I never got to say goodbye or hold your hand as you crossed the final threshold. I was the first to call you Grandad, and all I can say is I wish I had more time. The meaning of time has changed for many of us, but I read a letter my granddad's friend sent him before he passed, and he likened life now to their childhood during the Second World War, and it brought comfort as a reminder of our spirit for survival. We all miss people, miss our time with them, but through that we've had to reach deeper into our surrounding communities for comfort, joy and company. Serenade the City is an anthology of performances based around Cork City's landmarks, featuring the people and places I came to love in my 5K. Explore songs and poetry and look for a piece of your 5 kilometres in the locations. This project is dedicated to everyone we miss and everyone we found.
My heartstrings make sweet music if I but think of you. And if you should call me darling, I would wear a feathered shoe. I would swim the shore or sleigh me o'er the Shannon any day, just to walk with you, lovely lady, and to walk you around Loch Ray. If I owned all of Britannia, or the markets of Athlone, or the wharves and all the money that belongs to Limerick town, I would part them to your people if you would let me assume, just to walk with you, lovely lady, and to be your squire and tomb. Oh, rose leaf mate, 'tis easy for to blame the wastrel now, but who was ever able for to harrow with a plough? Not reared was I for labour or to watch the seasons play, and gambling, sport and dancing always lost me my own Loch Ray. In her grey house by the water, my true love there she dwells. She is the moon's only daughter, oh, her lamp upon the hill. She may braid her hair at evening, while those who go the way, they may think it's the moon that's rising over the grey lake of Loch Ray.
Human beings suffer. They torture one another. They get hurt and get hard. No poem or play or song can fully right a wrong inflicted and endured. History says, don't hope on this side of the grave. But then, once in a lifetime, the longed-for tidal wave of justice can rise up, and hope and history rhyme. So hope for a great sea change on the far side of revenge. Believe that a farther shore is reachable from here. Believe in miracles and cures and healing wells. Call miracles self-healing, the utter self-revealing double take of feeling. If there's fire on the mountain and lightning and storm and a God speaks from the sky, that means someone is hearing the outcry and the birth cry of new life at its term.
Means that once in a lifetime, justice can rise up and hope in history rhyme.
Some things don't stay the same, well, so they say. You walked away and didn't do a thing about it. And then I said it, and you said it. And now those sunny days have slipped away. And I said